What if there was a tool that takes your blog articles and creates social media post content for you? And not just that, it also creates videos for you. Yes, that tool does exist, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you a demo of that amazing tool. Before we jump into it, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. So if you work in social media, maybe you create social media content for you, your business, or your clients, you are going to love this tool. So let's jump right into this. So here's the tool. It's called Inksprout, and here's the description. Engaging, it makes engaging bite-sized social videos in seconds from your blogs. And yes, the AI, the tool is doing all the work. So imagine you don't have to create any posts, you don't have to create any videos. This tool will do it automatically. It's amazing. One of the best tools that I have found for social media marketing managers. I'm gonna give you a demo, and here's a 3-step process. Basically, step 1, you take your article. Step number 2, you put that into this tool, and it will create the summary. So this will become your post for Facebook or your tweets or your LinkedIn. So the tool is creating a summary of your article, and then this is the magic. This is what I love. It generates videos based on your the summary. You don't do anything. You don't have to edit. You don't have to select the graphics. You don't have to select the B-rolls, A-rolls, whatever. This tool will do everything for you, and it's called Inksprout. And yes, I am an affiliate for this tool. I'm going to have a link in the description, but wait till the end. Wait, let me show you how powerful this tool is. And also the link in the description, it is my affiliate link. It's a lifetime deal, meaning you don't have to pay per month for this tool. You only pay one time, and I think you're going to love this tool. So the 3-step process, let me log in and let's take a look at this tool in more detail. So let me log in, and I'll show you, I'll give you a quick demo. So I'm gonna sign in with my email. I already have an account. So this is what it looks like. You know, here's my account for that tool. When you log in for the first time, make sure you add your social media accounts, your Facebook, your Twitter, and then here's to see the magic, you're gonna go to the post. Okay, let's do an example. So let's go and take the URL. Let's say this is my blog, how to let go of obsessive overthinking. Let's copy the URL of that and come back here. So then you can do a couple of things. You can go to the post and put your URL here, and then it will create the summary. You can also go to collections. So this is the collection of all of your previous blog articles that you have created summaries from and also videos from. So let's go to post. I want to show you guys the magic. So I usually paste the URL of the blog article, and now you'll see in a second the AI is summarizing the article for us, and it's gonna just do multiple summaries. Look at this. So here are 2 different summaries. So I can copy this. You know, here's a summary 1. By the way, if I want to do more summaries, I'll click on the plus, and the tool might let me actually do it here. Oh, there you go. So I did several more. I think I did like multiple clicks. You can also, if you wanted to expand on this, you know, let's say this, you really like the summary, it's a human thing to overthink and blah, blah, blah. You want to expand on that point, you can also click here, and it will just basically expand on that. And then from here, if you just wanted to post it, you can post it to your, here's my Facebook page selected, I can just post or schedule it, this summary right here. So, and here are, look at this tool. This tool actually created, imagine, so 5-6 different sort of short summaries. I can also expand on these. I can make them like longer. So here you go. It just added more context to it. But the magic, what I love more about this tool, if you go to collections, so it's going to add that article on the top, and here are the 2 summaries that I actually selected from the previous screen right here. I can also create videos with these. You want to see how? Here's how. So what you're going to do is click on this video icon, which is right here. So click on this, and then you can customize. Basically, you can you know, pick what the format of your video and stuff like that. I'm going to do auto video and then show you real quick. I clicked on the auto video, and it's going to make a video based on that summary. So it has 2 summaries. So here you go. It's rendering the video. It took what? 10 seconds, 15 seconds? And now the video is done. You probably can't hear it because I have the volume turned off, but it's actually also speaking the text. Very, very cool. So let me go back. So what we did here is, so look at this. It's a human thing to overthink. So it basically, what the tool did is it took the first summary and then it made the video out of that. The way I use this tool is, and there are multiple ways you can use it. For me, what I do is one summary becomes like a Facebook post or a tweet, and if I wanted to repurpose and reuse it, I use the second summary. So the tool is actually creating multiple post and tweet ideas or tweets for me in seconds, right? And not just that, also the videos. So this is how, in just a matter of seconds, you convert a blog article into Facebook posts, tweets, and also the videos. You can download this video right here. You can download this video on your computer and then, you know, post it to your social media channels. Ooh, let me go back. The other thing I want to show you real quickly, if you go to automation, you can also activate. So right now I don't have it activated. Basically, every time you make a summary, it will make a video automatically. So you don't even have to click the button. The video will be created automatically. So if you want, you can do that. And there are a bunch of other, you can also set up RSS feeds. You can bring in posts using the CSV file. You can also do video settings. So here's the video settings. You know, you can, what type of gender, the voice you need. Do you want the voice over in the video or not? What's the speed? And what's the aspect ratio? So I like to do is I like to export. I like to create videos for Instagram stories and TikTok. You can also do YouTube videos. How cool would that be? You don't have to create any videos. The tool will do it for you. So really, really powerful tool. Again, what it does is it takes your blog articles, creates summaries or posts for you, and then also create videos for you. And if you scroll down, sometimes I've created, here you go, for this article, I created 3 different, so I had 3 different summaries and then 3 different videos and multiple post ideas for me. And again, the link is in the description if you want to go check it out. Here's the lifetime deal. You don't have to pay monthly. I think most of these tools are, you know, you pay every month, but you don't have to. You can pay the lifetime deal of this tool. And not just that, the link that I was able to get 20% off. So you will get lifetime deal plus 20% off. So you have like double dipping. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Again, the Inksprout, really, really powerful tool. If you work in social media and you create posts, tweets, and videos for you or your clients. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.